this is a square, and this is Scratch. So today I'm going to be experimenting on this square using Scratch's many effects. And let's hop into it. Yeah, I already created the project. So this is our square. Oh, let's wait a second one. So in one of my videos, I just did like a few patterns with the square. I did a remix of it earlier. I haven't uploaded it yet, but so like the start of any project, we use a. Oh my goodness, I forgot I have this mod installed. Okay, so we go and add when the green flag is clicked, and then we add a forever loop. Yes, let's loop this. So far, that does nothing, but as you can see, it's running. So now, let me show you the color. Hey!
Yeah, if I keep running like that, I might do
I'm recording.
CFT.
Oh.
You never get a 300 CFT.
Okay, so.
I'll never run.
This is the change color effect button, and yeah, it changes the color. Pretty useless, but also useful in some situations. Oh goodness, I can't get it back. So, yeah, that's the color effect. Now, let me show you the effects that we're not going to be using, which is stuff like this. The brightness and the ghost effect. It might just look like they do the same thing at first when I show you them, but yeah, they don't. So the brightness effect just makes it brighter. It doesn't really do anything on this background. But then the ghost effect, it does something bigger. It actually fades it. Yeah, after a while it just starts to make your thing like stand out. I'm gonna keep on changing it by -25 and see what happens. It barely did anything, but it looks more solid. Okay. So now, let me introduce you to the ones that we are gonna be using, which includes the color effect that we just used. So first, I'm gonna start with a change color effect by 25. That does this, but I'm gonna slow it down a bit. Change by 5. Now it has this like RGB style, almost. Now I'm gonna show you the whirl effect. Is it doing anything? I don't think squares can be whirled much. Oh, it's doing something. Okay. So I'm gonna do that along with something called the fisheye effect, which doesn't really do anything, honestly. And to finish it off, we're gonna be adding the mosaic effect, which is what I used for my one project. Oh goodness, guys! I think we just created a new shape. Like look at it. It has that like almost like glitchy effect. Like man, that's beautiful. And of course, perfect time to ruin it. Hee hee hee. Boom. Now it's an entire background. Maybe add another 0 just to make sure it fills out the entire project. But now, after a while, it'll start to stop doing those cool effects. This isn't a tutorial, why am I speaking like it is? But, so now that it almost looks like it has like its own like pixels it's trying to build into the screen, but with like 2 FPS. 1232 is the size max for this square. So now to tidy this all up, when you start, I'm gonna add a clear graphics effect. Now, beautiful. Watch it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. It also has that little like makes it look like you're bashing your head against the wall, but actually you're not. And it's just like it's creating so much of itself within itself that it just kind of goes rogue. I guess that's how it works. It's basically a less controlled version of clones, which is. Oh wait, what if I? Ooh, now, okay. If that wasn't enough, I'm gonna add something else. So first, I'm gonna experiment on the square even more. All round edges. Now it's oh goodness, this is ugly. Oh goodness. So, but if we change the size back down to 100, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Yeah, perfect. So, I'm also gonna add. So, I'm gonna add like a little trail, and like it follows your mouse. Don't worry, it's still mobile friendly. And if you use the link that I'm gonna put in the description, I keep on forgetting to do these on first glance. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh man, these videos took so long to edit when I didn't have my mic. Anyways, now let me get to it. Okay. If you didn't know, so the glide 1 seconds thing is different than going to an actual random place because it does this. Yeah, it actually like glides over to a specific area. It's actually the first line of code I learned, if you didn't know. It's kind of... Oh. I dropped my mic, okay. I should really stop doing these in the middle of my living room. This is actually the gaming room, but not living room. I really should get out of the talking. Anyways. So. Oh goodness, it turns into a square. Guys, I messed up. One, 2, 3, 2. I think this is actually beautiful. And I'm going to name this project Circular Thingy. Okay, now it's just kind of that. It almost looks like it's from like one of those old like Game Boy games. Only 33 FPS because I could make it run at a higher FPS. If I just make a blank sprite, it's 1 frame higher. Now that I did that. Oh, so it's like kind of randomized on its FPS. It should also run, I think, Wait. So what I did for my mosaic patterns project is I times it by 10. That did this beautiful thingamajig. I'm not going to change most of this back to its original square. And it's a circular thingy. Don't worry, you can also find this on my shorts page soon after this is released.
They just sound good.
And now, time to save the project. Okay, so here's a lesson on how to share your project. First, set a thumbnail. Scratch is going to be really mad at you if you don't set one. So, click it. When it says this thumbnail updated successfully, click share. Okay, this is just a mod that I have. Okay, now it'll ask you if you want to share your project with this thumbnail. Make sure you like the thumbnail you suggested. Then you proceed with share. This is gonna be 3D jumping simulator 3. Wait, these were originally squares. 3D jumping simulator 3. Wait, these were. Oh goodness. These were 3D jumping simulator 3. Wait, these were originally squares. Okay, and that is the video for today. I hope you have fun with your day, and if you liked this video, actually like the video, and please make sure to subscribe. I only have 12 subs. Only 12. Like, some of the people that actually do worse than me have, like, millions somehow. Well, actually, like, still in the thousands, but... like, seriously. You guys are baffling me. Even though I don't know what that means. Like, I'm underrated. Okay, bye.